Hi there. So, in the newest version of Iris, what I made is that I made a lot of new hidden features. And the goal of them are not only to be cool, but actually to help you and other users to fix their problems in Iris more easily. So I'm going to show you some of the new things, the features, and from here I think everything here is new. All these hidden features are new. These were the old hidden features. And one thing that you can do is to enter the hidden feature here. For example, uh, high level API. Okay. And now you see my core changes because I switched to high level API. But to not waste time of users going to this settings panel, uh, before 1 or 2 months, I made something super cool, and it's URL schemes for for fixing problems. For example, you see how I wrote here like a URL, the comments, the hidden feature I want. And if I click this, actually I'm going to switch this to low level API for you to see the difference. And if I click this and then open Iris, you see that I'm switched now to low level API. And if I write high level API, I'm automatically switched to high level API. I think this is super cool. I'm super excited about this because we'll solve so much user problems that you just can't imagine. And aside from this, we can activate Iris from here. We can change the URL scale. We can disable the timer, for example, to sync the friends if you have problems with friends inviting. To the temperature step, for example, I can show you this. If I enable the shortcuts enable, and I use the shortcut on my keyboard to lower or going up the blue light, you can see how the step is 500 kelvins, right? And via hidden feature, I can change this to one 100 kelvins, for example. And now you see how it's changed. And this is via URL, and it's super cool. It's really super cool. I hope you like it because super cool. And you can exit Iris from here. For example, if I write exit, I can exit Iris, and Iris is now closed. I can open it actually. I think I can open it via URL, and Iris opens, and it's super amazing. And a lot of people have problems with the uninstallation. You can uninstall Iris just with URL. It's super amazing. Super amazing, and we're going to add a lot more things. For example, there are monitor settings, which is uh, wait, where it is here, this thing, which you can control the light on your monitor for every monitor. It's super cool. And I'm going to read all emails and see what the most common problems are, and I'm going to add fixes for them via hidden feature. And when you write to Iris for support, something you can do yourself, we can basically do it with URL, and it will automatically change your. For example, if you want to change the night core temperature, it should work like this, I think. but it's day night. It's day now, so you can't see this, but see. And if I write here 2000, my screen changes. And if I write 3040, it's super awesome. I hope you like it. You can basically use these URLs from the hidden features. You can do this on your PC if it's Windows. I'm going to make this for macOS soon, so stay tuned, and thank you very much for using Iris.